Hello, welcome to another episode of DIY Web Strategy Labs. And in today's lab, I have a WordPress customized theme that I've been creating, and I completed the contact form 7 styling here. And I also decided to add some custom content, or I'm sorry, contact form 7 validation code in here as well. So let me show you guys what the contact form 7 validation code is. I was able to actually get it from here. All you have to do is just take this and configure it properly, and then just enter it here. Let me go back to my VS Code. And here I entered. So what I did was I went and created a file called validation PHP, and I entered the function here, and then I created I added the include here. So I got my includes front folder validation.php, and then I also added the filter here. So while you can just take this, copy it, while you could just take this code and copy it directly to the functions PHP file, you could just add an include instead and add the function into a separate file.